Hello friend. Hello friends, today we shall discuss what you have taken. It is a bottle of glass. It is a beaker of 50 milliliter, and here it is pen and paper, right? And here is our, you see, this is our stop clock, right? What you have to find? You will find the rate of flow of water into the beaker. We have to find the rate of flow of water. That is a very tough experiment. Let us find approx value, the rate of flow of water. Here it is our stop clock, right? What will we do? First of all, let us find a place, start the stop clock, and let us flow the water from bottle to the beaker. Let us start also this stopwatch at the same time. One of my friend is starting the stop clock, and here I am trying to get the flow of water from this bottle to this beaker. And this beaker is a 50 milliliter beaker. You see here, this beaker is a 50 milliliter beaker. It is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, right? We get the approx value though, right? Let's see if we find the flow of water and a stop clock at the same time. Let's see what happens, right? Now see, we are starting the flow of water into the beaker, right? And also the stop clock is starting the stop clock at the same time. One of my friend is starting the stop clock. You see, start the stop clock. Here you see, we've already started the stop clock. It is running, and it is our flow of water. You see, this is the flow of water into the beaker. And it is 1 minute, right? Here we get right. I stop it, the meter, and also we are getting the water. Let us read how much water we are getting. That is stopwatch. We will see the stopwatch also and the water also. Okay, first of all, we will see what is the timing. That is, timing is 1 minute, 15 seconds and 68. Let us take it as 1 minute, 15 seconds. Therefore, time is Time 1 minute. Time is 1 minute 15 second. 1 minute 15 seconds. And water in the beaker. Water in the beaker. If you see the water in the beaker, let us see how much the water is at the in the beaker. You see the reading. You see here it is approximate. See it is here. It is approximate 40 milliliter. 40 milliliter, right? Therefore, we are writing that water in the beaker is 40 milliliter. It is 40 milliliter. Therefore, we are getting rate of flow of water. Rate of flow. Rate of flow of water is equal to 40 milliliter. 40 milliliter water, and time is 1 minute 15:07. 1 minute means 60 plus 15 seconds, right? That is, we are getting 40 milliliter. We are getting 40 milliliter. 40 by 75 milliliter per second, or by 5 by 40, 5, 8 by 15. 8 by 15. If we divide 8 by 15, then it is 0.0, right? 15. Right? Now 15. We are dividing this. Let us find what is the value of 8 by 15. We are dividing 8 by 15. Let us take the computer. Let us take the calculator, and we are getting, here is our calculator, right? It is 8 by 15, 8 divided by 15, it is 8 divided by 15 divided by 15 is equal to 0.533. 0.533. That is, we are getting 0.533 milliliter per seconds. Right? 0.33 milliliter per second. Right? Therefore, rate of flow of water is 0.533 milliliter per second. Dear friends, you have to find the rate of flow of any liquid in this method. First of all, you have to collect the water in a beaker. You measure the amount of beaker and take the timing with a watch and find the time. Here we have got water in the beaker is 40 milliliter and time taken is 1 minute 15 seconds. Therefore, we are getting rate of flow of water 40 milliliter by 75 seconds. That is 8 by 50. That is 0.533 milliliter per second. Therefore, you can say that is rate of flow of water in this case is 0.533 milliliter per second. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.